Printer. A printer is an electromechanical device which converts the text and graphical documents from electronic form to the physical form. Generally, they are the external peripheral devices which are connected with the computers or laptops through a cable or wirelessly to receive input data and print them on the papers. A wide range of printers are available with a variety of features ranging from printing black and white text documents to high-quality colored graphic images. Quality of printer is identified by its features like color quality, speed of printing, resolution, etc. Modern printers come with a multi-purpose function, that is, they are a combination of printer, scanner, photocopier, fax, etc. Types of printers: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Dot matrix printer. It is a popular computer printer that prints text and graphics on the paper by using tiny dots to form the desired shapes. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printing is a type of computer printer that creates a digital image by propelling droplets of ink onto paper, plastic, or other substrates. Laser printer. Laser printing is an electrostatic digital printing process that rapidly produces high-quality text and graphics by passing a laser beam over a charged drum to define a differentially charged image.